so we can help each other make money. I am dropping a mentorship program to help people consistently make over $200 a day. I know some days you can make $200, some days you only make $50, 75. It all depends on the day, the area, and the time. But I am dropping a sponsorship. So it depends. Do you like to deal with people or groceries? So it like when you're picking side hustles, it all depends on what you like to do. So like for me, it really doesn't matter. I mean, I do like groceries better, but people are nice too. So I would say that Lyft and Uber are more profitable if you're doing rideshare, and if you're doing food delivery, I would definitely say like Walmart Spark is the most profitable out of all of them. It goes like Walmart Spark, Instacart, Grubhub, DoorDash. That's how I would rank those.